Hi everyone, hope you all are doing good. Let's meet Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, the thinnest, lightest flagship of 2025, yet somehow one of the most powerful smartphones Samsung has ever made. With its ultra-thin 5.8mm profile, titanium reinforced frame, and premium craftsmanship, this is a device that proves slim doesn't mean fragile. In fact, it is one of the toughest Galaxy designs yet, balancing elegance with durability in a way we haven't seen before. The Galaxy S25 Edge stands apart from the rest of the S25 series, offering effortless pocketability without any compromises in any performance. Inside this sleek frame, you are getting the best of Samsung's engineering, starting with the gorgeous 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display at an ultra-sharp Quad HD plus resolution of 3120 by 1440 pixels, and with a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Every scroll, every animation, every game feels flawless. Samsung's ProScaler AI even boosts image quality dynamically, ensuring everything looks its best in real time. Photography lovers, this is where the S25 Edge really shines. The new Pro Visual Engine is paired with Samsung's most advanced camera hardware yet. On the back, you have a jaw-dropping 200 megapixel main sensor alongside a 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens, capable of capturing incredible detail even in challenging lighting. On the front, a 12 megapixel selfie camera ensures you look your best whether you are video calling or snapping portraits. And with AI-powered editing tools plus 8K video capture, this phone doesn't just take pictures, it turns every moment into art. Under the hood, the S25 Edge runs on the Snapdragon 8 Elite mobile platform for Galaxy, clocking in at 4.47 GHz. This isn't just fast, it is a gaming powerhouse with real-time ray tracing and Vulkan optimization for ultra-smooth, console-quality gameplay right in your hand. Paired with 12 GB of RAM and a massive 512 GB of storage, it is ready for heavy multitasking, big game libraries, and professional-grade creative apps without breaking a sweat. Powering all this is a 3900 mAh battery that's optimized for all-day performance thanks to advanced power management and AI efficiency. You can push this phone hard and still make it to the end of the day. And when you do need to charge, fast charging and wireless charging gets you back up quickly. And let's not forget Galaxy AI, Samsung's new mobile AI companion built right into One User Interface 7. From anticipating your needs to helping you organize, translate, and create faster, it is like having a personal assistant in your pocket. Combined with now brief, customizable widgets and instant access to alerts, music, and more, your phone becomes more personal, more useful, and more intelligent than ever. Inside the box, you will find the phone itself, a USB-C charging cable, SIM ejection pin, warranty card, and a quick start guide. Samsung no longer includes the charging brick, so you can use your existing one or purchase one separately from the store. So who is this Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge for? It is for the person who wants premium flagship performance in the thinnest and lightest package possible, without sacrificing power, camera quality, or battery life. It is a blend of cutting-edge design and top-tier specs, all in a frame that's comfortable to hold, pocket, and use every day. This isn't just a phone, it is a Samsung vision of the future of slim flagships. So guys, this is highly recommended. It deserves your attention. Thank you.